RIC Virtual Summit. RIC indicates Russia, India, China. Actually, this summit should have happened in March 2020 in Sochi, Russia. Our Minister for External Affairs, Mr. Jaishankar, would have gone there in March 2020, but for coronavirus. As you all know, coronavirus have shattered many lives and also changed the dynamics of international relations. This meeting would have been happened this 3 months before. The speeches and dynamics would have been different. But now, if you observe the speeches today, particularly our Minister Jaishankar's speech, it was completely different. He spoke that we should respect the ethos of international law. Indirectly, he mentioned China. He has not named China. China's border aggrandizement policy is completely detestable. And coming to the meeting, our Minister Jaishankar also told, India have contributed a lot and India should get its due recognition in the new world order. India should be a partner in the multilateral world order and India should play a great role in the international decision making. India should play a great role in various institutions also internationally. Jaishankar referred to the shaping of world order. In fact, even today, the present world order is dictated by the countries which are victors in the Second World War. The victorious countries in the Second World War are occupying the permanent seats in the UNSC. They are also playing a great role in the UNSC and also in the UN. Our Jaishankar, our minister, told that for the Second World War, India contributed 2.3 million Indians. They directly fought in the war and around 14 million Indians participated in the war production. In spite of all these efforts, India did not get its due share. And if you observe, in 1945, when the UN have started, when the UN was established, there were 50 members. Now, UN have 193 members. It itself shows that changing dynamics in world politics need the world to change according to the realities. So, India should get a due share in the global politics and in the new world order. But if you see the particular RIC meeting, present Russia and India-China meeting, you have seen the new tensions between China and India. Though the border dispute is old, there were new tensions from last 1 month from May 5th onwards. And if you see Russia has now, though our close friend, our time trusted friend Russia, now it is trying to diversify its friendships. And in this, India's role in the RIC is very, very important. And the Chinese and Russian interest, and basically RIC interest is to develop a parallel system to the Western alliances. And the idea of RIC, Russia, India, China, was conceived in 1990s. It was conceived basically in 1990s. And RIC wanted to counterbalance Western influences in the Indo-Pacific region. But now Russia and China have a complaint against India. India's strategic relationship with USA is not palatable to Russia and China. They were not so happy with India's relationship with America. So if you consider all these things, the time is very tough in this triangle, Russia, India, China, RIC triangle. And you should also understand a point here. Russia, India, China share membership in Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Russia, India, China share membership in BRICS, BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Russia, India, China are partners in RIC triangle. So, inevitably, they are partners in various international and regional structures. And now, it's a time to look forward for RIC partnership for better tomorrow.